Hi, PJ Hoover here, and today I want to talk to you about 2 tips for time management, the timer and the to-do list. So first off, I have mentioned my egg timer, my Santa timer on Twitter and on Facebook, and this has really been the secret to me getting a lot of writing done recently. It's also a great thing to have around the house. So, for example, in the morning, I set the Santa timer for 5 minutes and I tell my kids they better be dressed before it goes off, or else. And you know what? I haven't had to figure out what happens after or else yet. So anyway, I suggest for writing, you get a timer and you set it for as long as you think you can handle it. Right now, I'm up to like 45-minute stretches on the Santa timer. And I set the timer, I turn off the internet, and then I write for those 45 minutes. The second tip for time management today is the to-do list. And I don't know how many of you guys keep a to-do list next to your computer, but I do. And what I do each morning is I write out my to-do list and I circle the things that are most important to get done that day. And those are the things that are really critical. So for example, taxes, I still have about a week and a half left before I really have to get those taxes done. But each morning I make my to-do list and I figure out what I need to get done and then I do it. So those are my 2 tips for time management, the timer and the to-do list. Thanks.